12 inspirational quotes about life challenge to get your thoughts through time. Life's challenges are not supposed to paralyze you. They are supposed to help you discover who you are. Brené Johnson Reagan Rothers. Bedtimes have a scientific value. These are occasions a good learner would not miss. Life is about accepting the challenges along the way, choosing to keeping moving forward and savoring the journey. Challenges make you discover, think about yourself that you never really knew. They are what make the instrument stretch, what make you go beyond the norm. Only those who dare to fail greatly can ever achieve great. We all have challenges. We have to face them, embrace them, defy them, and conquer them. The roughest road often leads to the top. The strong-minded reach to the challenges of their goals and dreams. The weak-minded become haters. Life through challenges, and every challenges come with rainbows and lights to conquer it. When the going gets tough, put one foot in front of the other and just keep going. Don't give up. It has been my philosophy of life that difficulties vanish when faced boldly. Life is short and nobody knows what's around to conquer, but I am up for lots of new challenges. It's lack of faith that makes people afraid of meeting challenges, and I believed in myself.